Pase, what's up, world? We're back at the Blueprint Summit with this dope gentleman right here. Introduce yourself to the world.
How you doing, guys? My name is Not Stone Forward. I go by that on IG, but my real name is Kevin.
No doubt, man. Hey, let the people know what you're about, your expertise.
I got you, man. So I teach people how to trade stock options, right? Not shares, but the options part is better leverage. To me, it's less risky because we know what we're doing, and you make way higher ROI than doing shares or like real estate or other investments that take all year to make 12%. We're doing ROIs in certain days, 800%, 300% in one day. So that same 20,000 you put in an investment to hold you for all year to get 12% from, you can go print that up and make 300,000 off that same day or the same month. So we teach that. We don't teach shares. We don't teach holding long. We teach making your money and taking your money today, right now.
Got you.
Oh, wow. So it's like quicker turnaround.
For sure.
A quicker turn. How long you been doing it? You teaching this?
Since 2020, right when COVID happened, I was looking for like extra income or like, how to make money from home, right? I saw a guy trading live on YouTube. That was it. I said, if he could do it, he know what he was doing. Like knowing what I know now, I could tell he know what he was doing back then. But I'm like, if he could do it, I could definitely do it, right? So then I had my first day. I did like $68 my first trade.
What?
First trade.
$68 was my first trade, right? Okay. Then I got scared, got stuck at like $500 a day. Then I did options. I made $13K my first day.
Wow.
Right? So it was like, all right. I was like, okay, I'm putting up $20,000 to trade shares. I'm making a couple $100. The same $20,000 I put up in options, I made $13,000, and I still didn't even know what I was doing like that. You get what I'm saying? So I'm like, all right, once I learn what I'm doing, I'm really capitalized, right? Then when I started learning more, I had a 20K day, had a 50K day, then I did a 108. And today my biggest day so far has been like 218 in one day, right? So from doing that, allowed me to go buy the assets like cash flow every month, right? So now I got into real estate, then I got into trucking. Right?
That's smart. That's smart
stuff. So that I don't got to trade forever, but I could trade at my leisure now and just take big plays. Right, and now other stuff is paying the bills and paying me every month, and taking care of me. But I can still go in here and print up whatever I want, go on vacation, go shopping, get another business going or whatever. And then being with Herman and learning the whole credit funding piece, it just maximizes everything because now I could do all of that and then more, leveraging OPM.
And how did you guys meet?
We met from joining RPX with him 500. That's when we first met.
Okay.
And me and Herman kind of took off. We started our own communities.
Yes.
I think we got like 4,000 people in our group right now who trade every single day with us, right? So we got a win section that shows you what everybody's doing. So it's no lies. It's no lies being told. We got too many receipts to show. and we're like fully transparent, showing you we're calling it before it happens. Hey, get into this, get into that. Hey, get out of that, right? And people are like, hey, I'm in, I'm out. Learn how to fish for themselves. It's a beautiful thing, man.
All right, wow. So what are some of the challenges? Because now that the market is a little rocky, I mean, it's a great time on the investment side, but like what are some of the challenges we face in the past?
The challenges is that some days, right, when these meetings are happening and they're worried about what's going to happen with the interest rates and the money, it makes the market choppy. So there's no place for you to kind of hold on to for like 2 or 3 hours. You got to kind of be short, take a 15-minute play or a 20-minute play. But it's still money to be made. But it's just that it's not our usual play where we could sit in there for 2 hours and make a quick 50K. Can't do that right now because the market is so up and down with the inflation and all the meetings they're having. But again, this is why the group is important because we show and talk about, hey, we got a meeting coming up Thursday, we got a meeting coming up Friday. Be careful, don't trade that day or trade after the meeting. That way you can get clear direction and make better plays, right? So it's not a challenge. It's just got to work around.
You got to work around it, right?
What platform or platforms do you like to trade on?
Well, we love and we use and promote Thinkorswim through TD Ameritrade. It's the best one. It's the most sturdy one. It's the most reliable one. The other one's kind of like you could begin to play when to get out. You can't get out to play, or you get stuck in a play, or the app just shut down on you, right? So Thinkorswim has been the most reliable one that we use, and we promote that one all the day. The other one that we use is called TradingView. TradingView is what we use to chart on, right? Kind of seeing like what's getting ready to happen, what could happen. We use TradingView for that. I use my phone and put the plays in on TOS. We call it TOS, Thinkorswim. Right?
Gotcha.
It's a brokerage. So
that's
what we use.
Okay.
You gotta talk about the drip on your neck and from him 500. Talk about
shout out to Mr. Him 500.
Yeah, man, shout out to 5, man.
Word.
5 is a big dog. We like on our side in our group, we call him Megalodon because he's like the biggest, bro. I've never seen anything like this guy. This guy's work ethic is unmatched, right? Never stop working. Always trying to improve, always get better. So I kind of like want to mimic after him, and he seen that I was kind of on that road, and I got awarded this nice little RPX chain.
Yeah, it is.
Having my own group, hitting $1 million in income, right?
Congratulations, man.
More, a couple times over, you know what I mean? So him seeing me do that and seeing me grow and get better, He's like, bro, I gotta bless you. So I got one of these pieces. Me and Herman both got one, a couple other guys, but this is like near and dear to me, very special. You know what I mean? Because that's my guy, it's my mentor.
That's what's up.
Nice.
Yeah.
One last nugget, man, that you gave to the people on stage today.
Okay.
Give us a bar of what you shared to the people on stage.
That you can make money on the up and the down. I think that's the biggest thing that everybody kind of was like, what? Right? When I said that, everybody was like, you can make money if a stock is going down. Yes, you can, right? With options, even with shares, but again, shares is not lucrative, right? It takes a lot of capital to make money with shares. But with options, you can make money if a stock is going up or down. And right now the market is down. We're making a whole lot of money because the market keeps dropping. Every time bad news happen, we like, oh, it's bad news, but it's kind of like a happy sad because it's bad for the people, for the world.
For the world.
But it's good for us because we about to print up again. So I think that's the biggest gem of that. People need to know that you can make money both ways with options. It's not just making money on the up or just buying the dips. That's wrong. We've been taught that all backwards. So I think that's the biggest thing I've learned.
How much money do we need to get in?
On average.
If we were just getting started right now, how much money would you say you need?
I got another gem for you, right? So everybody's taught you got to have 25,000 to get into options or trade, and you don't, right? You can get a cash account, work around that again to go to work around, right? We've learned how to adapt so well now because we've always getting put away, right? So we adapt. Okay, well, what's the workaround? You get a cash account, you can put $500 in there and get started with that. Gotcha. $500 cash account, skip the whole margin account stuff.
Right.
No restrictions. You can trade all you want to, and you're good to go.
Wow.
That's what's up.
Sir.
So as far as with the options and your courses and stuff, like on a daily basis, what is how many hours do most of your people and your students actually put in on a daily basis?
I think a lot of us are scalpers, right? Because a lot of people still have these jobs or have other businesses, so we scalp a lot, right? A lot of the majority of us scalp a lot, but the guys who've gotten better over time, we mostly day trade. We want to be in there like 2 or 3 hours the most. I don't want to be at the screen all day. That's not time freedom, right? 2 or 3 hours. Once the move is done, we're out of there for the day. Unless it's going good, I just want to hold it. I'll hold it overnight or maybe 2 to 3 days, and I'll get out on Thursday if I got in Monday.
Gotcha.
Something like that. But that's for the most. But for the most part, everybody's still kind of busy or just getting to it.
Right.
So everybody's scalping in and out in minutes, 20 minutes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 5 minutes. Hey, yo, appreciate you. I'm going. See you tomorrow. Right? So I think that's the biggest. That's what everybody's doing for the most part.
That's what's up.
Dope, man.
Let the people know where they can follow you to get more gems of what you just shared today.
I got you, man. Thank you, man. Again, this platform is dope. You guys are doing a great job. Thank you for what you guys are doing, right?
Thank you.
But you can find me on IG right now at Knots Don't Fold. All one word, no special characters. KNOTSDONTFOLD. Knots Don't Fold.
Hey, no doubt, man. You heard it here first. Team South Pase.
We out.
We out.
Thank you, man.